CBSE 8th Maths. Hey guys, I'm Tanya. I teach CBSE 10th Maths. Check out our videos in our playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
So guys, let's read the question. A suitcase with measure 80 cm, 48 cm into 28 cm is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 cm is required to cover such suitcase? So in this question we are going to be finding the length, okay? Because let me explain you guys. So there is a suitcase. Just keep the suitcase in your mind. So in that suitcase, let me draw it, okay? So the suitcase used to be like a cuboid shaped, right? So just take it like that. Wait. Yeah. So in this suitcase, we are gonna cover it with the tarpaulin cloth. So if I cover it, will it cover the whole places, all the places? So it will cover this place, this area, everywhere. Am I right? It's not gonna leave a single space left. So it's covering all the part, which means we are going to use TSA of a suitcase, that is TSA of a cuboid, okay? Because the suitcase is in cuboid shape. So TSA of cuboid. So what is the TSA of cuboid? 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height HL, that is height into length. So here the first one is length, okay? If they don't give anything like this is the length and this is the breadth, we take the first one as the length. So what is the length? 80 into. So what is the breadth value? Because here we have B, right? So breadth value, that is 48 centimeter. So 80 into 48 plus B into H, which means breadth into height. So what is the breadth value? 48. So 48 into 24 plus HL, that is height into length. So height value is 24. Am I right? So 24 into 80. So now we are going to be solving all of this, okay? So let me write the 2 as it is, okay? 2 into, so 80 into 48 is 3840, okay? 3840 plus 48 into 24 is 1152 plus 24 into 80 is 1920, okay? So now we shall add it, okay? So when we add 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920, we get the answer 6192, okay? So now what is left? We have to multiply this with 2, am I right? So 2 into 6192 is equal to 13,824. So this is the final answer, am I right? That's why we are going to write centimeter square, because in the question we have centimeter. That's why I am writing it as centimeter square. So now in the question we have that what is the how much length is required to cover a 100 suitcase with the breadth. The width means breadth, okay? So the width is given. So let me write it, okay? Let me write it here. Okay. So area of tarpaulin. So what is the area of tarpaulin? Length into breadth. So tarpaulin is not having any area, okay? So the tarpaulin cloth, the cloth like take a kerchief, okay. The kerchief is going to be in a rectangle shape. That's why I am taking the area of rectangle. So here I wrote it as area of tarpaulin. You can also replace it with area of a rectangle. It's not a problem, okay. Length into breadth. So area of tarpaulin is equal to, so I am applying it directly, okay, is equal to area of 100 suitcase. So 100 suitcase means 100 into 13,824. So you guys might be wondering how it came, right? Let me explain it, okay. So I am writing it here in the down part, okay. So here the thing is that in the question first we have to find the TSA, okay. This is the total surface area, total area of that cylinder, okay. So they asked if the breadth is 96 centimeter, what is the length, okay, how much length is required to cover 100 suitcase. So for one suitcase the total surface area is 13,824, right. That's why for 100 suitcase how much it's required, that's why I multiplied it with 100. So now let's apply the value. Length, we don't have length value, so L into breadth value is 96, am I right. So 96 is equal to, let's apply it directly. So here we have 100 into 13,824. So I am writing it as it is, okay. So it's gonna be easy for you guys, that's why. You can also multiply it directly now into 100. So now length is equal to 100 into 13,824 divided by 96. How divided by 96? Here you guys can see that 96 is in the multiplication form. So when we bring the multiplication to the other side, it becomes division. That's why we got it in division form, okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to cancel it. So now before dividing it, I would like to multiply this, okay. So if you guys want, you can cancel it now itself. Let's multiply it first. So 13,824, right, into 100. So 0, 0. So now what do we have? 13,82,400 divided by 96. So now we are going to be cancelling it. So now when we divide it, we will get the answer 144 meter, okay. So 144 meter, okay. So this is the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.